Welcome back to another video. You should totally subscribe to the channel as well, so yeah. So you've just seen me cut this and kind of temporarily hold it in place. So initially I was going to record and talk through the process, but I really needed to concentrate on this. It just took a lot of brain power. I just set up the camera and just recorded it. So obviously we've made that cut, that kind of right relief cut. It's made it way more aggressive looking, looks super cool. A couple of bits I need to kind of work on, the supports and infills. One is the bottom. Obviously we've got this little piece here that obviously I just measured out. Take this off, yeah, unscrew that, take it off. I've got some paper. I'm going to take that shape and transfer it onto this so I can cut this. Then I've got to work out, obviously, you know, an infill for there, something more permanent, nothing crazy difficult. So what I'll do with this, once I've taken it off, obviously I'm going to, you know, tape this little section up, stick that to it, and then fiberglass over that and use that as a little support. Should be pretty straightforward. Yeah, nothing crazy going on there. So I'll do that. That should be pretty simple. Yeah, let's break this down. As you may have gathered, it's not much of a talking episode. Really just trying to wrap my head around this and kind of plan it methodically and not rush it, which is something that I'm definitely guilty of doing. I've got no time frame. Yeah, so I'm literally just kind of taking my sweet time with it. So there's a lot of stuff, a lot of details, like I said earlier, that I probably didn't show on camera, but I'm doing now. So before the last layer of glass goes on, before we kind of lock in all the shape, obviously you've got to do little supports and bits and pieces, loads of fiddly things like that. So you just saw me do the bottom piece. Now that is just screwed in at the moment. Obviously that's not gonna be like that. So behind this, I'm gonna put an aluminium plate, gonna put some riv nuts in it, just 2 bolts here. So this is being covered up by the side skirt. You're not going to see that. So that's being covered up the side skirt. Now this kick here, the vertex skirt, has got a kick as well. So It's probably not the exact same angle, but you know, we can change that. It's fine. It's in keeping with that, and that naturally flows. So I did try pushing this flat to the body. Didn't look right. Although it looked right here, it didn't look right here. It put this weird bulge here, kind of unnatural looking bulge. So I'm not going to do that. So and I can put some glass behind that as well, and really make this bit part of the wing, which is what I want. Same with this upper section here. So I need to fix this down, and then I need to make a similar thing there. But yeah, it's gonna be fiddly. Once this is done, we can trim all this down. You just saw me make a little template, so I can cut that. This bit here is going to be pushed down onto this. So yeah, I've got to work out how to do that. So front is fine. All I need to do on the front is just put you know, like a block of foam behind there, glue it down, hold it in place while it gets fiberglassed. And also, yeah, the important thing I need to do is I need to do another section across the top there. So I don't think this will be a crazy long episode. Wow, that looks really good. Look at that. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna be a long episode. It's yeah, it's one of those ones where there's just lots of fiddly bits and pieces, but they are important bits. It's taking a long time, obviously, because this is the first side. When I do the second side or the other side, it's definitely going to go a lot quicker because, hey, I know what I'm doing, kind of. So that's off. I've keyed it up. Gonna stick 2 layers of fiberglass on the back of that, fix it on the car, and then let it dry, and then it should dry in the right position. Gonna leave that to dry for, you know, like a day or so. So I think I'm gonna end this episode right here. I can't really do much else. I'm not gonna get stuck into the other one because I'm kind of running out of time. So next episode we'll be taking this apart and kind of inspecting it, cleaning it up a little bit, and seeing what we got. But so far, so good. Pretty happy with it. Actually, I'm very happy with it. I did scratch my door, unfortunately, but car's getting repainted in a different colour. So, although I like to not scratch things, it got scratched slightly. But you know, it's what it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's more really detailed stuff that, you know, doesn't really get shown on a lot of builds. Especially me, I haven't shown this stuff before. It's kind of like way more in depth. Next episode we'll be working on the top section here to get it in the right place. Nothing crazy going on there. I just need to make a yeah, a little section for the bottom there to keep this in check. Nothing nuts. That is where we need it to be. So top section, front, trim that piece there, work out something here. Yeah, I need to work out something there, but nothing crazy. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next episode. Take care.
Subscribe, you fools.